Akorendo mwancho murigereri omamsie we gwodi yo yabokira omusikecho ya mbongi magayae nigatugutera are kerengererio kyo gose okorobekana uko kwa basaye sata yabuna nigakorwa ni gwage siasa na koboria abanyara ko bagakobwatesigwa elikwanekeria abamenye be gwodi yo yabokira ama genderero.
As a miake ya maega, we have had a lot of unrest, impeachment, torches, assembly and the rest. So to have it out settled. But what I've committed to abantu bane babokera is that I will deliver. Una to igwana nete ekiagera nere yubongo chigutumia ko mark egere mo ngirani obisi. Ego igoro e program ye chipara. I'm the next person online. Na inche nimbaro throughout ko confirm nga chipara chi akoro with good quality. So there are programs coming in Soko. I'll make sure that they are done in the best way possible. But anene bono na ngo bataina babe patient. Let them come in a slow way. Budget is an estimate. Project avoided projects. Oversight implementation next Unabono 2022-2023 and part of 2023-2024 into a word that allocated but a bid to sink to contribute to among industrial park we took some part from the budget. Never affected some of the programs. To 2023-2024 again, we had to get some money on 2025. You have to void something else. So na kia kogera some projects tu abegete lakini njira akoro.
Gento na rodrega tali na gose mweshimi wansa jinde tara akoro magendero. Na singe njuna roda bana ba igo korona nkanto ba etwe. Ojinga no nyine kero ba kukwana mpama etina nki ba kukwana.
Se budget yegere ko ba ekoro subunge galia. Omweshimi wa joire kera ko president ya bakeira. No ne ombi yako te bana togo cha kanyora chibeza toro siguiente gete. Ali chibeza chira assembly chikogenda koro siguiente immediately. Wana abana baminta bakemba bwa tapali eyo.
Nande ga kyoborayi. Gatenga omuntu orachorirwo borayi. Okorirwo borayi. Kibwa musinyira atigira abekirenzo omuntu morayi mungayire tigaruribaga oyoire arara pakenga kiaya koreki. Ere namagenda onagandete bokeira chibara njali mwe financial iya era eyerobo no igana ere genderete 2025 yaso mpaka 2026 na ande ntomana kia